Good evening, Ramchand. Today I would like to explain international workshop on generative AI applications using machine and deep learning techniques. Let me justify my title. What is meant by generative AI? So, generative AI is an extension of artificial intelligence. What is meant by artificial intelligence? Intelligent behavior in a machine. With the help of statistical AI, machine and deep learning techniques, we are solving the real-time applications. According to John McCarthy in the year 1969, he has given a beautiful definition about artificial intelligence. What is that? Science and engineering to develop intelligent kind of based applications by using statistical AI, machine and deep learning techniques. Then what about generative AI? Generative AI is a one of the new concept in artificial intelligence, generating new or innovative something which is not available in the existing system, which is a new and innovative with the help of audio, video, text, graphics, animation kind of real-time application with the help of statistical AI, machine and deep learning techniques. We are developing any kind of structured, unstructured and semi-structured and applications. So by using machine learning is nothing but learning from the observational data. With the help of supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement learning, we are solving the problems. Then extension of machine learning is deep learning techniques. Deep learning is nothing but learning from the observational data with a deep manner by increasing n number of input layers, hidden layers, activation function, dropout and fine tuning parameters. So this is our title justification. Ramchand, any doubt on this title?
Clear, sir. So far, clear.
Very good. I will ask you later, okay?
Sure, sir.
Yeah, this is my background, and these are my research interest, and these are my publications. You can see IEEE Explorer and RCID ID, Scopus ID, Web of Science, and YouTube channel. Then I'm a corporate trainer on data science applications using AI, ML, and DL techniques. And I'm a corporate trainer on generative AI applications using machine and deep learning techniques. There are 13 core concepts in even generative AI which are common in data science and artificial intelligence training with the four case studies like introduction to AI, Python programming, probability and statistics, data structures and algorithms, database and data warehousing, generative AI, data science and data mining, natural language processing, big data technologies, artificial neural networks, machine learning, deep learning, augmented reality, virtual reality, and followed by the business applications and case studies. Groundwater and climate change data analysis using AI, ML, and DL. COVID 19 and variants virus prediction and detection using AI, ML, and DL techniques. Ebola virus prediction and detection using AI, ML, and DL techniques. Prostate, breast, skin, and lung cancer prediction using AI, ML, and DL techniques. I'm a corporate trainer on cyber security applications using ML and DL techniques. And this is the syllabus of cyber security: introduction to cyber security, Python programming, computer networks, cloud computing, information security, network security, cryptography, application security, cyber laws and security auditing, cyber forensics, mobile security, ethical hacking, AI, ML, and DL techniques, real-time applications, and list of projects. I'm a data science corporate trainer, same on generative AI subjects. Before going to our topic, 60 minutes, what is happening through internet? We are accessing so many websites, so many information from the corporate website, so that we are storing in the system server and data center with the help of cloud computing environment. These are the statistics about internet. And this is about statistics about internet live stats. Who developed internet, Ramchand? How you are going to define internet?
Um, Internet is a collection of devices where they connect together to share the data.
Perfect. Internet is a network of networks. Network is a interconnection between the computers in the fashion of local area network, wide area network, and metropolitan area network. Internet is developed by Bold, Berneck, Newman. Three scientists has been proposed. And what is meant by WWW, World Wide Web, which is developed by Tim Berners-Lee, and we are communicating through mail. Email is nothing but electronic mail. It is developed by Ratum Lenson, and chip is developed by Kilby. You know all the programming languages. C is a Dennis Ritchie, C++ is a Jarn Strostrup, Java is a James Gosling, Python is a James Guido van Rossum. Okay, just for your kind information. So this is the same thing, internet live statistics I have incorporated in the PowerPoint presentation. If number of users are increasing, automatically the size of the data center also increases. Then system cannot understand if you press any key on the system, because internally it converts into ASCII value. ASCII stands for ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange Code. We have 108 keys on the keyboard, each key having its own ASCII value. So if you press capital A, system cannot understand. The capital A value is 65. If you divide it by 2, we are getting binary equivalent number is 10001. That is the binary equivalent of 65. That's why computer understands only ones and zeros. That is called binary language. Binary means 0 or 1. 1 bit equal to 0 or 1. 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble. 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. 4 bytes equal to 1 word. 4 words equal to 1024 bytes. 1024 bytes equal to 1 kilobyte. 1024 kilobyte is 1 megabyte. After that, gigabyte, terabytes, petabytes, hexabytes, octabytes, zettabytes. Hi, I am Robo. My speed is 1 terabytes. My memory is 1 zettabyte. 1024 zettabyte is 1 yottabyte. 1024 yottabyte is 1 brontobyte. 1024 brontobyte is 1 geobyte. After that, if you are asking me, 1024 geobytes is infinity. Same thing we are incorporating in the normal and big data range. Kilobyte is 10 power 3, megabyte is 10 power 6, gigabyte is 10 power 9, terabyte is 10 power 12, and petabyte is 10 power 15, exabyte is 10 power 18, zettabyte is 10 power 21, yottabyte is 10 power 24, brontobyte is 10 power 27, geobyte is 10 power 30. This is the way we are measuring the data in computer system, server, and data center. This is the syllabus of data science, introduction to data science, Python programming. Here are top 10 widely used Python libraries: NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Request, SciPy, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Keras, Beautiful Soup, Flask. So these are the combination of keys like Python plus Pandas equal to for data manipulation. Python plus Scikit-learn is for machine learning. Python plus TensorFlow for deep learning. Python plus Matplotlib data visualization. Python plus Seaborn for advanced visualization. Python plus Flask web development. Python plus Pygame game development. Python plus Kiwi mobile app development. Python plus Django full stack web development. Python plus NumPy numerical computation. Python plus Keras neural networks. Python plus Plotly interactive visualization. Python plus Fast API fast web application programming interface. Python plus Tkinter GUI development. graphical user interface development, Python plus beautiful soap, web scraping, Python plus scrapy, web crawling, Python plus OpenCV, computer vision, Python plus pillow, image processing. Then we have statistics, then data structures and algorithms, database management system and data warehousing, artificial intelligence, and followed by the generative AI. We have 10 concepts in generative AI. Today we are demonstrating all the 10 applications of generative AI. Generative adversarial networks, variational autoencoders, autoregressive models, transformers, probabilistic graphical models, flow based models, energy based models, self attention mechanisms, neural autoregressive density estimators, deep generative models, etc. Then followed by the data mining, natural language processing, big data technologies, artificial neural networks, machine learning, deep learning, and augmented reality, virtual reality. With this one, we are closing the syllabus of 13 concepts, major concepts of data science, and followed by the major projects which are societal useful. Like there are plenty of projects we have executed under our research and AI laboratory. So far we have executed 153 projects. So this problem also I have solved, Ramchand. No need to execute once again. When is our death date? Okay. So this program I have already explained. So that's all about small analogy of what is meant by generative AI applications. Then we are moving to generative AI applications. Uh, Ramchand, suddenly I got one meeting from my Indian Institute of Information Technology, Allahabad. Can I join over there?
Sure, sir, sure.
Yeah, final year BTech students, they are giving presentation. So can
Okay,
I
sir.
join? Tomorrow I will give you this same presentation so that
Okay, sir.
morning, if any time you can join. Morning Indian time 10 to evening 4. I am taking complete 1 day international program. They are paying 40,000, Ramchan.